What's up YouTube? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the D-Fam. So guys, today what I'll be doing is I'm going to try to prank Divine again. So what I'll be doing is I'll be searching up on YouTube fart sounds. So just search fart sounds and there's a lot of fart sounds you can choose from. So when Divine is playing games, so then I'll be playing fart sounds and hopefully keep it like close to me, like so that she thinks it's me. I'm gonna try to play it over the speaker. One thing about the speaker that the speaker dies quick, and I don't know, like with the Bluetooth, I don't know, but it doesn't want to pick up my phone lately. But anyway guys, let's get to the video. So guys, I'm just setting up the camera real quick. Also guys, this is our light that we use for extra light. Das ist ein Müdan.
Don't be so rude. We are got taken in by
Guy, but purpose.
Don't look at the sun.
What? What did I do?
Not again.
What do you mean? Not again?
Because you fought me. Talan, David. You're making me mad and I must leave this rice out down.
Oh, you're racing now?
Of course.
You have much faster go and you're so sick on you.
I'm first. What are you talking
Whee!
about? I'm first. That's a Talan. Can you stop? Can you stop? You think this is funny? Powering on.
It's the speaker. It didn't connect to the speaker. How?
This isn't on now. You can't keep on doing this. Where's the camera?
It's behind the speaker. It's behind the speaker.
You should have known.
The phone was supposed to be connected to the phone was supposed to be connected to the speaker, but it didn't. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe and also like this video and leave us a comment. So guys, if you are living in like the KZN area with all the looting and all that stuff in South Africa, just stay safe guys. Stay indoors and watch our videos.
Yeah.
Also guys, I don't know when Divine's gonna come with her pranks or come back with her pranks.
Don't worry, Dylan.
I don't know what she does every day guys, so yeah.
I'll get boy back. Anyway guys, see you
Friday.
Friday.
Peace.
Peace.